Ever found yourself wondering where exactly your team's money is going? In today's fast-paced business world, keeping tabs on employee spending can feel like trying to catch smoke with your bare hands. But what if there was a way to not only see where the money is flowing but also to set clear boundaries and empower your team responsibly? That's where Relay comes into the picture. It's not just another business banking platform, it's a financial control center designed with teams in mind. And at the heart of its collaborative power lies a suite of employee spending control features that can transform the way you manage your company's expenses. Think about the challenges many businesses face: the endless back and forth of expense reports, the surprise charges that pop up unexpectedly, and the time wasted reconciling transactions. These aren't just minor inconveniences, they can significantly impact your bottom line and distract you from focusing on what truly matters: growing your business. Now, imagine a different scenario. What if you could issue each employee their own debit card with preset spending limits? What if you could define exactly where and how those cards could be used? And what if you could track all this activity in real time, directly from your banking platform? This isn't some futuristic fantasy, it's the reality that Relay's employee spending controls offer. So, let's dive deep into the specific features that make Relay a game-changer for managing employee spending. We'll explore how these tools can give you greater visibility, control, and peace of mind. One of the foundational elements of Relay's spending control is the ability to issue multiple debit cards. Gone are the days of shared company cards and the logistical nightmares they create. With Relay, you can create individual physical or virtual debit cards for each team member or even for specific projects. This immediately provides a layer of accountability, as every transaction is directly linked to a specific cardholder. But simply issuing individual cards is just the beginning. The real power lies in the customizable spending limits you can set for each card. Need to give a marketing team member a higher limit for advertising expenses while restricting a junior employee to a smaller amount for office supplies? Relay lets you do exactly that. You can set daily, weekly, or monthly spending limits, ensuring that your team members have the financial resources they need while staying within your budgetary constraints. This feature alone can significantly reduce the risk of overspending and unexpected costs. Beyond overall spending limits, Relay allows for granular control over where and how cards can be used. Imagine being able to restrict a card to online purchases only, or to specific merchant categories like office supply stores or travel agencies. This level of precision ensures that company funds are used appropriately and minimizes the potential for misuse. You can even set location-based restrictions, which can be particularly useful for teams that operate within specific geographic areas. This feature provides an invaluable layer of security and helps prevent unauthorized spending. To further enhance control, Relay offers the ability to set spending rules. These rules can be based on transaction type, amount, or even the time of day. For example, you could create a rule that flags any transaction over a certain amount for review or automatically declines transactions made outside of business hours. This proactive approach helps you catch potential issues before they escalate and ensures adherence to company spending policies. Real-time visibility is crucial for effective spending management, and Relay delivers on this front with instant transaction notifications and detailed reporting. Every time an employee makes a purchase with their Relay card, you receive an immediate notification. This allows you to stay informed about spending activity as it happens. Furthermore, Relay provides comprehensive reporting tools that give you a clear overview of all transactions, categorized by employee, department, or spending category. This makes it easy to track expenses, identify trends, and gain valuable insights into your team's spending habits. Another powerful feature is the ability to pause or cancel cards instantly. If an employee leaves the company, or if a card is lost or stolen, you can deactivate it with a single click. This immediate control minimizes the risk of unauthorized use and provides a crucial security measure. This level of agility is essential in today's dynamic business environment. Relay also understands the importance of seamless integration with your existing accounting software. By connecting Relay to platforms like QuickBooks or Xero, you can automate the expense reconciliation process. Transactions are automatically synced and categorized, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. This not only saves time but also provides a more accurate and up-to-date view of your company's financial health. 1. Technosoftwares.com. Technosoftwares.com. Furthermore, Relay facilitates collaborative spending management. You can invite team members to view their own card activity and spending limits, fostering transparency and empowering them to manage their expenses responsibly. For administrators, Relay provides a centralized dashboard where you can manage all employee cards, adjust settings, and generate reports. This collaborative environment streamlines workflows and improves communication around spending. Consider the impact these features can have on different aspects of your business. For small businesses, Relay can provide the financial controls that were previously only accessible to larger corporations. For growing companies, it offers the scalability and flexibility needed to manage an expanding team and increasing expenses. And for businesses of all sizes, Relay can lead to significant time savings, reduced administrative overhead, and improved financial accountability. Imagine a marketing manager launching a new campaign. With Relay, you can issue them a virtual card with a specific budget allocated for online advertising. You can set daily spending limits to ensure they stay within budget and restrict the card to only be used on approved advertising platforms. You receive instant notifications of every transaction, allowing you to monitor spending in real time. At the end of the campaign, you have a clear and detailed report of all advertising expenses, ready for analysis and reconciliation. Or consider a sales team on the road. Each member can have their own physical Relay card with preset limits for travel and entertainment. You can restrict these cards to specific merchant categories like hotels and restaurants, preventing unauthorized purchases. If a team member loses their card, you can instantly pause it to prevent misuse. And when it's time for expense reporting, the transactions are already logged and categorized in Relay, ready to be synced with your accounting software. These are just a few examples of how Relay's employee spending control features can be applied in real-world scenarios. The flexibility and customization options allow you to tailor the platform to the specific needs and workflows of your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.